Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Today I have a very interesting topic, one of which is a little bit thought-provoking, in that, anything goes when it comes to these type of roles. Now, eBay has been kind of a breeding ground for a wide variety of different types of roles, with the expectation that, these huge lottery chase coins can exist. Some of us have seen those, the Lincoln cent rolls with, a key date on one side and then, the back side of a VDB cent that could have a San Francisco mint mark on the back side. You just don't know until you buy it. We've all seen these, and they're pretty crazy, and believe it or not, they've been around since the dawn of eBay. And if there's any redeeming thing that comes out of this, is that these rolls used to sell for probably 10 times what they do today. The Morgan silver dollar rolls that you see out there on eBay today used to sell as high as $10,000 to $12,000 at one point, especially after the 2008 period when the economy was in the tanker. A lot of investors and a lot of thrill seekers were purchasing these type of rolls, not knowing exactly, what could be found in them. All they knew was one end had a Carson City Mint. Could it be in 1892? One of the tougher dates for such a coin? Who knows? All right, that would recoup a lot of the money that it takes to buy one of these rolls. Now here's a few examples of rolls that are on eBay today. Okay, the price is a lot more reasonable. Okay, these can be had for around $2,500. Now we're playing on the assumption that you're going to net out about $125 in value per coin. Okay, these rolls are going to have $20 face, so that's 20 coins. And if you just do the math on it, you're looking at $125 a coin. Now, both coins here have clear Carson City end coins, okay? So let's assume that one coin is a Carson City Mint, okay? That would recoup about $150 to $200 in BU, okay? And this is just a general Mint State 63 type grade. All right, so that's a good first step, but will the rest of the coins in the roll play the favorite of being all CC? Okay, I mean, just look at the writing on the wrapper. Okay, it came from the First National Bank of Carson City, right, guys? It should all be Carson City coins, but unfortunately, it's not. People have been seeding their own rolls for a long time. Okay, I'm not saying that these folks are doing that, but the big red flag in all of this. Well, there's a few, actually. Okay, the biggest one is the end roll coins have absolutely zero toning for age of such a thing. Let's say these rolls are tried and true 80 years old. Those end rolls will not be clean like that. They will exhibit some sort of toning, usually on the terminal side, because the paper being used at that time was not archival safe. Okay, they promoted toning, and the acidity in the air, the moisture, they would all combine together to produce, probably at the very onset of the toning process, really nice wild colors on those end coins. And then over time, they would just get dark brown and then black, which is the more terminal side. It's the least desirable toning color of silver. So the mere fact that on both of these rolls, the end coins are clean with the absence of any sort of toning are huge red flags on these. If you are at all interested in buying a roll to kind of like try out your luck, you got to take this into consideration. True 80 plus year old rolls will have toning. Okay, the second of all is, let's take for example the Carson City, Nevada wrapped roll. What do you notice about it? Okay, not so much the end coin, but the side profile of the actual roll. You'll see that there's some loose crimping on one side, which indicates that this was a rewrap. if the coin wrapper was original, okay, someone can just peel up one side of the crimp, take the coins out, examine the dates, pull out any key dates or high grades, and then refill it with just stuff. Last time I checked, a nice BU common date of any coin, like during like the 1880s, traditionally commands anywhere from $40 to $50. If you're lucky to get that back, okay, you have to sell it for that kind of money to recoup that. So why would you invest $125 on each coin on sure losers? So again, heed on the side of caution when it comes to these rolls. If you're a firm investor on a roll at $40 to $50 a coin, that is obviously a much better decision to make on buying these rolls. But $125, guys, it's way too much. At least it's not $500 like it was back in 2008. That is straight up insanity, and I would encourage you guys to hold on to your hard-earned money a little bit better than that. But anyways, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. Again, these Morgan silver dollar rolls are not a sure thing by any stretch of the imagination. Usually there's no return policy on these, so it's not like you can buy it, examine it, and say, you know what, it's not for me, and then return it. Absolutely not. These are, you know, they're money pits in every sense of the word. If there's any good news coming out of this, you know, it's silver. You know, silver is bound to come back up at some point. You know, it could be a year from now or 10 years. That usually affects the value of coins numismatically. But, you know, will it hit $125 a coin? Probably not. It's really tough. But anyways, I wanted to bring this to your attention. If you guys enjoyed tonight's content, do me a huge favor. Hit the like button below. That's the biggest way that you could support my channel. As always, I appreciate your guys' support in everything that I do here. And you guys take care and keep hunting. And I'll see you guys next time.